Hey everyone, here in Arizona we have extremely high power bills, so I don't always want to use my huge power guzzling stove to make things. I got myself an electric glass tea kettle. Let's check it out. It comes with a glass kettle, the lid, the tea strainer. This is for the eggs, your base, and your instruction manual. This 1200 watt BPA free glass kettle has so many different functions, and it's both shatter and corrosion resistant. You can use this to boil water, you can make green tea, white tea, oolong tea. Each tea steeps differently, so that's why they have the different settings. You've got your coffee and baby bottles as well. And on this side, you'll see that you can make milk, noodles, soup, boiled egg, and it also has a disinfection function. This is great for like if you have a baby and you want to disinfect the bottles and the pacifiers or whatnot. You can choose to delay the time of the cooking, and you also have this menu button to take you through the different functions. And there's your cancel button as well. You basically choose the preset and the kettle does the rest. Now let's get to cooking.